What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna go to Munich. So the game for today is FC Bayern against Bamberg. So the last game I went to was Bamberg against Berlin, I think, in Bamberg, and Bamberg just completely dominated the game. It was just a crazy score. I think the top scorer of that game was Zach Copeland, so he's been on fire the last few games. But yeah, I'm really hyped for this game because I mean, you've got the big arena. I'm gonna be there really early, so I think I left at like 9 a.m. and the game starts at like 3:30. It's hella cold. Yeah, it's really bad. So I'm gonna take the train to Munich. It's gonna take like 1.5 hours or something like that. I'm gonna be there extra early because I need a lot of stuff for the quotes. I'm also gonna take some pictures, talk to some of the Bamberg players because I know kind of most of them, or at least most of the American players. But today I have a little more time to film, so I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you later.
Information zu RE200 Hauptbahnhof über Bayern. Abfahrt 9:20 Uhr. Heute circa 40 Minuten später.
So I just got here. First time I get something to eat. I think it's like 3 hours until tip off right now. So I have like an hour to get to the arena, and then I have the 2 hours in the arena before tip off to just talk to the players, record a little bit, especially for the quotes account. That's kind of where most of the footage comes from, because for the quotes account, it's really important that you get really close to the players and you just get really good quality. That's kind of when I film all of this stuff for the quotes account, and then most of the stuff I post on the main account, that's like mostly in-game footage and all that stuff. Yeah, so first I gotta figure out how I get to the arena, because I never took the train. I always took the car. So right now I'm trying to figure out where I have to go, and then we'll see. I'm gonna check how I'm gonna get there, and then I'm gonna head to the arena. Man, they got all these dope ass food spots and I'm not hungry at all. So the game today, it's one of those games that you really look forward to. I'm just really hyped for this game. Just so you guys know, the next episode that I'm gonna upload, that episode is gonna be in German. I mean, just like the first episode that I uploaded with James Murray Boyles. That's what most of the episodes are gonna look like. But yeah, so the next episode that I'm gonna upload, that is in German, so my bad for all of the people that speak English. All of the episodes after that, they're gonna be in English. Yeah, so if you didn't check out the video yet, I'm gonna link the video somewhere up here, and definitely check it out. Okay, so I just got off of the bus. The arena right back there. Yeah, so FC Bayern basketball, they're gonna have a new arena here. When you're inside, you can kind of see that it's an older arena, but I'm really curious what that new arena is gonna look like. So that right there is where people go in if you have like a normal ticket, but we have like a press pass, so there's like a whole different entrance we have to go into. I mean, I gotta check. Yeah, so it's 1:16, more than 2 hours before the game starts. So we are back at the BMW part, and I gotta get my ticket real quick. So we are in the arena. I already got my press pass for today, and let's see what the arena looks like. There's nobody in here, nobody. Yeah, so the Bamberg team bus just got here. Yeah, so a few players already walked in. I don't know if I missed Justin or Malik or Zach. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, so right now they're just testing everything before the people come in. Here in Munich, it's a little bit different, because like, let's say this is Bamberg, I would be able to kind of just go around the whole court here. But during the game, I'm kind of only allowed to be either here, somewhere up here, and I think one spot somewhere back there. Because this right here, these are like really expensive courtside tickets. Yeah, I checked the price. I think a seat right there is like over 200 euros. You can already see some of the players coming in. And I'm gonna go downstairs to take some pictures. GoPro. What's up? Everything good? Ready for the game? What's up, man? What's up? Okay, so it's like 30 more minutes until the game starts. I already got a little bit of footage. I'm gonna blend in a few scenes from the game. Won't be too much, but I'll still blend a little bit in. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
Zunächst die Credit Basketball-Bundesliga, die Schiedsrichter am heutigen Nachmittag, Moritz Reit, Thorsten Thaler, der 11, Evan Wohlrath, der 21, Abdullah Kramaric, der 22.
Okay, so the game's over. The score was 91-69. Yeah, as you can see, the whole arena is almost empty. Especially in the first quarter, Carson Edwards just went crazy. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you the next time. Okay, take care.